We're in Shenzhen, China, at our manufacturing partner's office. The manager here is kind enough to demonstrate a traditional Chinese tea drinking ceremony, also known as Kung Fu Cha. Cha means tea in Chinese. They have a beautiful Cha Ji. Cha Ji means tea table. It is the centerpiece of Kung Fu Cha, a masterpiece of aesthetic and functionality. He's unwrapping the tea flower. According to the team, this is from Yunnan province. Today we're having black tea. He puts it into the tea bowl. Tea tables come with built-in water piping and drainage. It is made out of fine woods like rosewood or bamboo, and combined with a granite tea tray. Really expensive ones may use marble. Aside from the lovely chaji, they have a traditional tea set. They have a covered bowl or gaiwan, a tea scoop or chazi, a tea strainer or chalo, a teapot or cha chong for good luck and fortune, and finally a kong tao bei or fairness pitcher. The pitcher ensures equal flavor in every cup to promote fairness and shared enjoyment. Don't you just love these values?
I cannot talk, I cannot write, right? So,
Can
but
write,
if
just can't understand.
can understand.
只会听不会讲也不会写也不会看。
可以啊，那听就很厉害了。厉害，你听就很厉害了。
There are many types of teas used. Here are some popular ones. There is Lu Cha or green tea, known for its light flavor and health benefits. Bai Cha or white tea is made of young leaves and buds, which has the most amount of antioxidants. Oolong comes in many aromas. And there is the prestigious Pu'er. More of his teammates join us. Check out his entire tea ceremony set. His teammates are also curious now. The table even comes with a tap, an induction cooker and warmer. He boils the water on the cooker.
Have you ever tried this before?
I only see online, I never see before
only
in
see
real life.
online.
Yeah.
The granite tea tray has drainage. Hot water and discarded tea is poured here. It's truly amazing. A marvel of engineering and craftsmanship.
Will not have unless maybe you go to the very maybe high-end restaurant.
High-end
I think
restaurant,
yeah,
okay.
maybe something like that.
The water is ready. You can see the steam from the spout.
中餐厅有没有那种大一点的中餐厅？
对。就烫茶具。
He pours it on the tea strainer, then into the tea bowl.
大家去把那条录视频了。
就是那种自己拍 vlog 的那种。
The tea bud floats to the top. He then covers the tea bowl with a lid. He checks on the teacups. They're ready. He picks them out with tongs and places them on the tea tray.
就是拿一宝杯子全部洗全。太多了。
这是那个阿姨帮他洗的吗？
类似的不细致。
He pours hot water on the strainer. This is to remove any remnant tea dust.
主要是你没话。
不是我说啊，我的意思是他没听懂我们讲，你可以听懂我们说这种话，就是说杯子有一个。
He does the first pour, also known as shi cha, which means cleansing the tea. There are many benefits to this step. In practical purposes, this removes any impurities in the tea, and also awakens the tea. It also symbolizes purity and starting fresh. He compliments the color, but his keen eyes point out some tea dusts. He will pour this away.
This kind of color means the tea is very good.
He pours hot water into the tea bowl again.
第一杯那是在干啥呀？洗的，洗茶了。哦，那个洗哦。
The tea leaves are awakened.
The first one is just to wash the cup.
What's the cup?
Not for drink.
Yeah, not for drink. Oh.
还有那个茶，还有他们也。啥呀？他有这么多吃的，那是，你看有这个冰箱去，看冰箱去，这么多吃的。
He pours away the first pour.
他们这里他们不是买了这个吗？我拿一提的，不喝啊。然后这个也放冰箱一会儿啊，你这个放冰箱。我这个用。
You can see the hot water and discarded tea flowing down.
哦，第一杯那杯是可以喝
He pours us each a fresh cup. This will be served to us.
我也不会打这个，我第一次见。
You can see this tea is much clearer. The cups are placed in a circle.
这是有专门学过的吗。
As I'm the guest, I'm served first. So exciting. Looks amazing.
It's so hard.
Yeah.
Be careful. Thank you.
你看穿我也要试一个那个，这样子啊，好像是这样子，是不是？
Oh, careful, it's very hot.
然后那个拿茶杯的姿势。
It is good tea etiquette to sip the tea slowly.
We need to take it. Got two hands.
I'll pass my camera to my friend. Watch me demonstrate good tea drinking etiquette. It's good.
Very good, very good. So cool. This table is fixed.
Fix.
I asked him where is the table from.
这桌子是固定的吗 ？Not fixed.
Apparently it's made in Hubei, China.
看 move it。
He uses his teapot to push the water.
Because when I see this, then I'm thinking where the
This is when I find out the table has built-in drainage.
container inside. Is it?
I think.
哦，是，他们是一起的，这个是一起的，就是这个茶具和这个套装和桌子是一起的，with together 啊。
Then after that you okay.
Yes, I'm mind blown.
下面的水从哪里走？我跟你说，下面的水。上面一个水管。啊，它那个有个。
He shows to me where the water goes. I'm an engineer, so I just had to ask.
And is that also where the water also comes from?
一个管子，然后水的
They show me the water source below.
That's really cool.
Very cool.
How did this?
I'm really impressed.
Why is there water?
啊，我也是，对。
They find my curiosity amusing.
他以为
They say I'm their most curious visitor.
I want to get this for my house. Very easy, you
So
know.
cool.
Like eat noodle hot.
They tell me this table also serves as their break area. They have lunch and breaks together here.
Even
Can
eating
work and
here.
can eat.
I joke with them that this is very productive. You can eat and work at the same time.
But this wood is from also from China. This wood.
Yeah.
这
This table is made from rosewood. The timber comes from Yunnan. The granite tea tray comes from Hubei. Cause the granite is heavy to ship. The timber is sent to Hubei, and the entire table is made there.
Redwood.
Rosewood was used by royalty during the Ming and Qing dynasties. Rosewood furniture is more expensive these days, thus is less popular. These days most people buy pine furniture. It's a more sustainable and eco-friendly choice. I'm impressed with their green initiatives. It seems they are more environmentally friendly than I had assumed. They look at more sustainable sources. But rosewood is still revered, obviously due to its rich history.
material of the cup we sent you
I
yesterday.
see this.
那这个呢？这个不是。
I asked them if the statue is rosewood, and about the cupboard too. They tell me the cupboard is fake rosewood. It's only normal timber, but painted to look like it.
就那个是加森。
That one is
They explain that only the statue and the tea table are real rosewood,
The other is the fake.
even
and so are the chairs.
this one.
这也是假的吗
So
？Real.
this is
This one also real.
also is real.
I tell them that I usually see these types of furniture in antique stores or at museums. They are surprised.
In Singapore, there is a museum.
As I'm chatting, I'm served a fresh cup. Good Chinese tea can brew multiple servings, and the flavor won't diminish. They call it huikan, which means a returning sweetness in the aftertaste, or to simply put, a lingering flavor. He's making his fourth brew, yet the aroma and color are still the same. Apparently, we can get 3 to 5 brews from these particular leaves. He steeps the leaves for a while between each brew, gradually increasing the time and decreasing the temperature after each serving. This ensures uniformity of flavor and aroma.
This is just
Sorry, the battery died. We were discussing red flags in tea. Pro tip: 3 ways to check your Chinese tea quality. Number 1. Broken or dusty leaves indicates low quality or improper handling. Number 2. A faded aroma or taste is a sign of stale or improperly stored leaves.
Share the whole is around
Number 3. A bitter or harsh taste means improper brewing, or worse, low quality leaves.
yes.
Hope you enjoyed this video. Please like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next video.
如果是一整盘木蜡。
I like this actually. So cool.
That is not very expensive.